Ever feel like you have great ideas, but you're just not a perfect writer? Let's talk about that. So, the big question is, do you really need to be a good writer for something like Substack? Okay, the short answer, it's a big fat no, and I'm going to tell you why. This whole fear of not being good enough, it totally comes from our school days, right? But here's the thing. Writing online is a totally different game. It's not about being impressive. See, it's not about being perfect. That's a huge mental hurdle we got to get over. What it really rewards is clarity. Being understood is the new goal, not being perfect. And what's clear writing? Well, just think. Could you explain this idea to a friend out loud? If you can do that, you're golden. This is all about thinking out loud, sharing as you learn. So let's ditch the good writer myth. What do you actually need? Just these 3 things. And that last one, permission to be imperfect? Well, consider that permission officially granted right now. So, the only question left is, what's that first wonderfully imperfect idea you're ready to share?